Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. As you all know that we are in Vizag and we have planned to visit many places. Because it is monsoon, we have planned to visit a few places while in Vizag. So as part of that, we are going to visit Paderu today. So the plan is we are going to stay in Paderu for a night. So early in the morning, maybe like 5 a.m, we will be trekking the Vanajangi hill just to look at the view of clouds forming like a sea of milk.
As we missed the view last year at Lama Singhi, we didn't want to miss it this time. Surprisingly, the weather was so different this time in Vizag. It was hot and muggy. Probably it was the sign of forthcoming rain.
I'm telling you, the weather in Vizag is so humid that you're constantly losing water out of your body even when you're inside your home. So just to beat that, we want to get into the hills for some time. So our plan first was to visit Arku and stay there for a night, and then start to Vanajangi early in the morning from Arku actually. But since we have already seen Arku many times, so we thought we will go to Paderu this time, enjoy the scenic route, the cart road and all.
Before we head towards the hills, I had to catch up with few things.
Alright, so luckily I found a pet stores and I got some food for my puppy. I was lucky because I found the store very close by. So I'm in the process of prepping my car, so that we can go on this trip. So right now I'm going to get my car water serviced and then fill the tank and start towards the destination.
After all the efforts, our trip began. What a day to begin the journey. It had rain, sunshine and comforting clouds. Though the roads were narrow, the delightful countryside views were eye-catching. As the rising sun penetrates the clouds and clears the mist, we traveled through the rain and witnessed the spectacular view of distant hills. The tarmac started to take many turns, so did we. But soon we realized it was the supremacy of hills we had to abide to. We thought the rain was over, but it turned out that clouds went to draw more water to moist the earth. Empty narrow road, heavy water droplets falling from the clouds. We staying dry inside the car caused a phenomenon called happiness. The spinning wheels were like time fading away, taking us closer to our next stop. There was no doubt that the time flew like wind swirls the mist, but driving through the hills made that time valuable. Someone said, after climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. As we climbed hills, we found marvelous views along the way, one after another. The rain filled every little creek to give life to everything that comes in its way, and it was evident as every plant and tree was flourishing. Some like to admire nature, but few prepared to be part of it. With a thankful heart, we were once again back on road. The sun was going down, leaving a promise of a new day. We hurried to reach Paderu before it was dark. Every turn and every corner was beautiful. The sky was getting clear as the rain was gone, but it left its residue. As the day was leaving, the fog started to take over the region, proclaiming its authority. The outline of mountains and blue sky in the background was a mind-blowing view. After reaching Paderu, we rent a couple of rooms in a lodge to spend the night. We have reached Paderu and we have found a couple of rooms to spend the night. The rooms are okay, like I'm going to leave the details of this particular lodge and all in the description below. If you are coming to Paderu sometime in the future, you can use those numbers to stay at this hotel. Alright, so let me quickly show you around. This is not a great room, but it works. There is a provision for you to sleep. There's a bathroom, with running water. So these are the beds. I mean, the quality is cheap, but it's okay, it works. There are a couple of chairs there and centerpiece. And there's an extra bed here. You have a counter so that you can keep your stuff there. There's a dressing table here and a charging point. There's a fan. This is not an AC room, but just a normal room. This is the bathroom. There you go. It's quite neat actually. I just took shower. The water was cold, so I needed that after a long journey. There is this window. Not sure what's there on the other side. Not sure if you can see, but these are the resort rooms, what they offer here. They too are non-AC. He said 2,000 rupees, but we thought just for one night there's no need for us to spend a huge amount. So we will be gone from this place by 4 in the morning because we will have to be there at Wanajangi by 4:30. The distance from Paderu to Wanajangi is 6 kilometers is what Google Maps says, and there is about 1 kilometer trek that we need to do. So hopefully you guys have liked this video. Let me know if you have any doubts by asking questions in the comments below, and I've also left the links for the gear I use, so you can check them out in the description below. Alright, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. In my next video we are going to trek Wanajangi Hill, and I'm going to show you some awesome footage. Alright, stay tuned, and I thank you very much for tuning into my channel and spending your precious time. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.